Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to transfer your Shopify store to WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So go ahead and log into your Shopify account where your store is, and after doing so, you'll be greeted by this main page where we can take a look at all the sections we can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with transferring our store. Basically guys, there are two ways. The one way guys is that you can go ahead and go into the settings icon right here, the bottom of the page, and you can get started with transferring ownership. So what you can do in this new menu that appears, you want to click users information at the left side screen. After clicking users information, you can now get started with transferring ownership. So you can see here, you can get started with transferring ownership and entering the new email that you want to transfer the ownership to. But this is only going to give you a new owner to the store. It's not going to transfer it to WordPress. Basically guys, there is no direct way to transfer it to WordPress. So what you can do guys is go into your products and get started with exporting your products. So as you can see here, we have our product section. So I'm going to go ahead and add a product to show you how it works. And as you can see, this is how our product section is going to work, where we can take a look at all the products we have. So what we can do guys is export them. We can export them by clicking the big export button right here in the upper right corner and get started with exporting all the products. As you can see, as a CSV file, you can export all products and click export. After that, you can get started going to your WordPress site and your store and importing those products and start accessing your store that way and importing everything you have from Shopify manually. There is no other way. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.